Yeah, what a night. It's been raining like. Well, maybe he's a week and a bit into this. When do we get lockdown? Oh, right, so we've got lockdown a week gone Thursday. Basically, where. Oh, I don't mean maths, man. Come on, 8, 9, 10. This is the 10th day on lockdown. We've got like maybe 30 days. What did 20 days ago, 30 days in all, I think. So I'll be 20 days roughly. And you know, there's I hope to God, please, that this lockdown is better and I'm going to have a Christmas. I have a Christmas. But like, oh, on the news the other day, we had the death toll was just the same. Oh, someone's got some flowers going on for.